Let me tell you the story of the Chinese farmer. Once upon a time, there was a Chinese farmer whose horse ran away one day. That evening, all of his neighbors came over to commiserate him for the loss of his horse. They said, "We are sorry that your horse ran away. We feel sorry for your loss. This is the most unfortunate thing." The farmer replied, "Maybe." The next day, the horse came back, bringing back with him 7 wild horses. In the evening, his neighbors showed up again, and they said, "Isn't that a great turn of events that you have 8 horses now?" The farmer replied, "Maybe." The next day, the farmer's son tried to ride one of the horses. While he was riding it, he was thrown off the horse and fell on the ground and broke his leg. Again, the neighbors showed up and said, "That's really bad news that your son's leg is broken now." The Chinese farmer replied, "Maybe." The next day, there was a military officer that was sent by the Chinese emperor at that time, and he asked for anybody who is capable of joining the military. He was the conscription officer of the emperor, and he asked for everybody to join the military. The farmer's son was not able to join the military because he had a broken leg. People came to the farmer and said, "Isn't that great news? Because your son now is saved from maybe being killed." The farmer again said, "Maybe." The parable of the story is that there are 2 sides to anything that happens to you. Be patient, because the other side might be good or bad for you. مدرب لغة وليد خالد.